TikTok is a very simple app. It doesn't have a huge amount of features or anything. All it is a short-form video sharing app. You can share videos up to 60 seconds long, but preferably 15 seconds, which we'll get into the reason why later on. You can do voiceovers, you can use licensed music or other people's sounds, and there are even some nice effects you can use in your videos. But that's pretty much it. And that's why it is growing so big. It is quick and simple. There isn't any need for amazing content or shops or groups or pages. It's just you and your page sharing videos. It doesn't even need to have Instagram quality production values. In fact, videos like that tend to do worse. But if you're still not convinced, let's have a look at the audience. You might have heard a lot about this app, some in a positive light and some in a negative light. But one thing is for certain, it is here to stay and is growing considerably every day. Currently, the app has an astounding 800 million monthly active users versus Instagram's 1 billion. So they aren't far off the same user base. And with each of those spending an average of 52 minutes on the app per day, you have a great chance of reaching this massive audience. The thing is, you also hear that there are a lot of users that aren't in your target market, especially if you're in business. But let's dig deeper into those numbers to really find out if your target market is on TikTok. So TikTok has a diverse split of male to female users, with 60% being female and the other 40% being male. It's not too dissimilar from Instagram. Then their user demographics look something like this. I'm in a white t-shirt now, but we're going to go through the audience makeup, and we're going to tell you about how this audience is made up. So a lot of the comments I get from businesses wanting to go onto TikTok is that their audience isn't there, but I can guarantee that it is. And so as you can see on the screen now, this is the audience makeup. And what you might find very interesting is that the top two percentages are the 18 to 24 and 25 to 34 band. So the majority of people on this platform are made up of 18 to 34-year-olds. And that's pretty much every single company's audience, right? You've got everyone you need right there. And what you'll find very interesting is that the people you would mostly associate with TikTok, the 13 to 17-year-olds, are actually only 7% of the entire makeup of this app. So your audience is there, and it's wanting content. This shows that there is a wide range of users on there, and a lot of them. Now what you get is people still saying their audience isn't there. But that's what everyone said about Instagram 8 or so years ago. And now look at it. It's massive. Everyone wants to be on Instagram. So your audience is there. I can guarantee that. The difference really is why they are there. It's the same with Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat, YouTube. The users are there for different reasons. What you need to know is the reason why they are there and what they are looking for. Now is the best time to get on this app as well, because you have all of these millions of people spending an hour a day on it, but they don't have enough content to show them. So that's why you hear users like Charli D'Amelio exploding in growth, because she is creating content. She doesn't create the best content in the world, but she's making something. And because of the lack of new content out there right now, TikTok just shows it to as many people as possible to keep them on the app and to keep them coming back.